Students, today continuation of the complex number topic, exercise 1b topic, page number 13, the schedule I had written here. Example 1 to page number 13. Example 1, find the complex conjugate and show that the example 1, page number 13. Find the complex conjugate of 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. Simply multiply 3 to the 6, 3 3 the 9 minus 9i plus 4 to the 8i minus 4 3 the 12i square. So 6 minus 8i minus 12i square means plus 2. So 6 plus 12, 18, 18 minus 8i. So conjugate complex number is equal to 18 plus 8i. That's all. 18 minus I, not 18 minus I. This is simply 18 minus I. So this is 18 plus I. Now second question. This is IMP 2 marks. In objective also this is there. Show that Z1 is equal to minus 2 plus 11i by 25, comma Z2 is equal to minus 2 plus I by 1 minus 2i whole square. 1 minus 2i whole square are conjugate to each other. Let us consider this one because already denominator 25 you are having. So whenever 25 is there is no complex number. So first of all you need to calculate this one. This Z2 can be converted into a complex number. Then you should get the answer minus 2 minus 11i by 25. Then this is right. Now consider Z2. Consider Z2 is equal to minus 2 plus I by 1 minus 2i whole square. That is equal to minus 2 plus I by a plus b whole square formula, right? 1 minus 4i plus 4i square. 1 minus 4i plus 4i square. So minus 2 plus I by, this is 1 minus 4i minus 4. Minus 2 plus I by minus 3 minus 4i. With minus I multiply to numerator and denominator, you can get 2 minus I by 3 plus 4i. Now to eliminate the denominator into complex number, multiply with conjugate complex numbers to numerator and denominator. This is 3 minus 4i by 3 minus 4i. Multiply and divide with the conjugate complex. Now write like this: 2 into 3, 2 3 are 6, minus 2, 4 are 8i, minus 3i, three plus 4, 2 3 are 6, minus 2, 4 are 8i, minus 3, plus 4i square, whole by a plus ib into a minus ib, a square plus b square. Here 6 minus 4 becomes 2 minus 8i minus 11i. 6 minus 4. So 2 minus 11i by 25. We need to get minus 2 minus 11i. minus 2 minus 11. Once you verify, this is minus 2 plus minus I have taken common. It becomes 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 4 8 2 minus I by 3 plus I, everything correct. 3 minus 4 I by 3 minus 8 2 plus 6 minus 8 minus 3 minus of minus plus 4i square. 4i square is minus 4. So it is exactly 2 minus 11i we got. We need to get the conjugate combination for whenever minus 2 is there. Minus 2 plus I 11i. So we get minus 2 minus 11. Once we verify. Z1 is given as simply 2 plus 11. Now it is correct. It is correct. Therefore, that's why it is enough. Therefore, you can write Z1 comma Z2 are conjugate to each other. Z1 comma Z2 are conjugate to each other. That's all. Now, let us enter into exercise 1b concept. Roman number 1, exercise 1b. These questions are completed. Exercise 1b. Here everything I am discussing about objective. Simplify. Simplify I square plus I power 4 plus I power 6 so on 2n plus 1 times. 2n plus 1 times. You can write here I square plus I power 4 plus I power 6 plus so on I power 2n plus 1. So I power 2n into I we can write. So here d2 by d1 concept. This is GP. A square so on r power n minus 1. So in that Sn is equal to A into r power n minus 1. Here 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. For I square is minus 1 is less than 1. A means here I square. So let us write 1 into 1 minus I power 2n plus 2 whole by 1 minus I square. That is equal to 1 minus this is I whole power 2n into I square whole by 1 plus 1. This is. So 1 minus I square whole power n becomes I square means minus 1 whole power n. So maybe minus 1. So this is I square by 1 plus 1. Exercise 1b, first or third question. Simply minus 1 in this question. Third question, first one. I power 2n plus 2 becomes I power 2n into I power 2. I power 2 means I power 2n, I square whole power n we can write. So if it is I square minus 1 whole power n, maybe minus r plus 2n plus 1. So it is completely odd. So let us going to discuss about shortcut. It is better. Take odd. Simply 2n plus 1 is equal to odd. Objective model only things. So take 3 steps. That is n is equal to 1. So I square means minus 1 plus I power 4 means 1 plus I square whole cube. I square whole cube means minus 1 whole cube. You can understand this one as I square plus I square whole square plus I square whole cube. This is minus 1 plus this is minus 1 whole square plus this is minus 1 whole cube. So minus 1 plus 1, they can simply answer minus 1. Leave it. Now, third question. Second one. I power 18. I power 18 minus 3I power 7 plus I square into 1 plus I power 4 into minus I whole power 26. I power 18 we can written as I square whole power minus 3I square whole cube into I plus I square means this is minus 1 into 1 plus this is 1 into minus 1 whole power 26 into I power 26 becomes I square whole power 13. I square means minus 1 whole power 9 into 3 into this is minus 1 whole cube into I, this is minus 2 into minus 1 whole power 26 is 1. I square means minus 1 whole power 13 means minus 1. So that is equal to minus 1 whole power 9 becomes minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 into I minus 2 into minus 1. This is minus 1 plus 3I plus 2. So 1 plus 3I. 1 plus 3I is the answer. Yeah. Now let us discuss about Roman number 2 questions. Roman number 2 questions. Second one. Roman number 2, first one, second one. Now this one. Roman number 2, first one, second one. If x plus iy is equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, show that x square plus y square is equal to 4x minus 3. Given x plus iy is equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I into within the brackets sin theta. In objective, this is level 1 question or level 2 question, where I will not say students, for objective only I am handling these questions. Now multiply with conjugate complex numbers 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. Into here also you write 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. That is equal to multiply 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 into 2 plus cos theta, not like this. Okay, simply leave it. 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole by, this is of the form a plus ib into a minus ib. So a square plus b square. So this is 2 plus cos theta whole square plus this is sin square theta. That is equal to, here you can write this one as x plus ib is equal to 3 into 2 plus cos theta. 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole by, expand this one, this is 4 plus 4 cos theta, 4 plus 4 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. So 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole by, cos square theta plus sin square theta becomes 5. So 5 plus 4 cos theta we can write. 5 plus 4 cos theta. Now we can write imaginary part and real part separately. 3 into 2 plus cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta plus I into, this is real part, minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Comparing real part and imaginary part to both sides. Comparing real comma imaginary part in real comma imaginary parts to both sides. X is equal to 3 into 2 plus cos theta whole by 5 plus 4 cos theta, comma y is equal to minus, there is no question of I, you should not write I, minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Now x square plus y square, x square plus y square means here 9 into 4 plus cos 2 plus cos theta whole square. Okay, let us write 9 into 4 plus cos square theta plus 4 cos theta plus this one 9 sin square theta whole by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Here 9 4 the 36 plus 9 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta becomes 9 4 the 36 and 9 cos theta plus 9 sin square becomes 9. So 36 plus 9 becomes 45. 45 plus this is 36 cos theta whole by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. If we take common 9 in this, you can write 5 plus 4 cos theta whole by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. So it gives, LHS gives 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Now we need to calculate RHS. RHS is 4x minus 4 into x means 3 into 2 plus cos theta whole by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus 3. So here 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24 plus 4 3s are 12 cos theta minus taken LCM 3 5 are 15 minus 3 4s are 12 cos theta whole by 5 plus 4 cos theta. 12 cos theta get cancelled. 24 minus 15 gives 9. 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. This is RHS. Therefore, the 4 marks sum we can write as LHS equal to RHS in this model. This much sum is there. Shortcut is there. While doing objective, write shortcut. That is, put theta is equal to 0 degrees. Here only. Then what is happening? 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 0. So 3 by 3. So the z x plus I by is becoming 3 by 3. 3 by 3 plus 0 into I. So x is equal to 1 comma y equal to 0. The value substitute here. X is equal to 1 comma y equal to 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 3. 1 is equal to 1. Verifying the option. Otherwise x square plus y square. In objective this question will be like this. X square plus y square minus of 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 is the correct answer. By substituting theta is equal to 0, then you will get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. This is also IMP concept. Roman number 2, general number 1, second one. If x plus iy is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, show that 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. X plus iy is equal to 1 by, write like this, 1 plus cos theta within bracket plus I sin theta within bracket. Multiply with conjugate complex number. So 1 plus cos theta minus of I sin theta whole by 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta, that is equal to 1 plus cos theta 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole by 1 plus cos theta whole square, expand like this, 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus sin square theta. So a square plus b square model, then x plus iy becomes 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole by 1 plus, this is cos square theta plus sin square becomes 1, 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 plus cos theta, you can write 2 into 1 plus cos theta. So write here 1 plus cos theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta plus of minus I into sin theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. Here this will be getting cancelled. So comparing only real part, there is no need to compare imaginary part. Compare only real part, you will be getting the answer x is equal to 1 by 2. So 2x is equal to 1 by squaring both sides. You can get the answer 4x square equal to 1. That implies we need to prove that 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0, we got. In this also shortcut is there. For this also shortcut is there, that put theta is equal to 0 degrees. So whenever theta is equal to 0 degrees, x becomes 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 0. Directly x is equal to 1 by 2. Immediately you can get the answer. Shortcut is theta is equal to 0. Next, Roman number 2. Third question is also there. It is also MP, objective concept. In third question, conjugate second, in second one first, third, in second one first, you do homework. There is no third Roman. In second one 1 and 3 is there, 3 already completed in the example. In second one first is simply substitute and get the answer. Substitute the value by cubing and squaring and everything, you can get the answer. Now third question, first one, yeah, this is I get. Third question, first one. If x minus I by whole power 1 by 3 is equal to a minus ib, show that x by a plus y by b is equal to 4 into a square minus b square. 4 into a square minus b square. Now given x minus iy is equal to a minus ib. Now we can write cubing both sides. So x minus iy is equal to a minus ib whole cube. A minus ib whole cube. So x minus iy is equal to, write the formula, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So it is ib whole square minus b cube. It is I cube b. So x minus iy is equal to a cube minus 3a square b into I. So this is imaginary part. I square b square means minus 1. So this is simply minus 3ab square. I square value minus 1. I cube value I square into I. So minus 1 into I is minus I. Already minus is there. It becomes plus I. So it is ib cube. Now write here x minus iy is equal to a cube minus 3ab square. Keep it side because this is real part. And minus to take common, minus you take common. It becomes 3a square b minus b cube. Now compare real comma imaginary part. Compare real comma imaginary part. Real comma imaginary part both sides. So x is equal to a cube minus 3ab square comma y is equal to 3a square b minus b cube. Now you write x by a. So it is becoming a square minus 3ab square comma y by b. X by a, it is not a cube, it is a square. A square minus 3ab square. So y by b you can write 3a square minus b square. Now add this one. X by a plus y by b gives a square minus 3a. 3a completed, 3b square. X a square minus 3b square plus 3a square minus b square. So we are getting the value x by a plus y by b is equal to here a square plus a square becomes 4a square and minus 3b square and b square becomes 4b square. 4 we have taken common, 4 into a square minus b square. It is IMP sum for object. There is no shortcut. By cubing both sides only we will get. Next one, fourth one, first and third IMP questions. So dear students, better to do homework the remaining sums and keep aside. Why? But while practicing for a mains exam, I mean main IPE exam, not mains exam. For main IPE exam, you don't need to prepare this one. Simply, but every sum you do, it is better. You can learn the concept. Exercise 1B only eliminated regarding the reduction of 30% syllabus during the COVID-19. Now, fourth one, first one. Find the least positive integer. Find the least positive integer again. Satisfying 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n is equal to 1. 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n. Given 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n. So rationalize the denominator. It is becoming 1 plus I into 1 plus I whole by 1 plus I into here 1 minus I into 1 plus I whole power n. Numerator becomes 1 plus I whole square. 1 plus I whole square by denominator a plus I b into a minus I b concept a square plus b square. So this is 1 plus 1 whole power n. In the numerator, write a plus b whole square concept 1 plus I square plus 2i. 1 plus I square plus 2i by 2 whole power n. 1 plus I square becomes get cancelled because I square is equal to minus 1. Now we got 2i by 2 whole power n. 2 get cancelled. I power n is equal to 1. In level 1 homework is there this question. So I power n is equal to 1. So what is the least positive integer to substitute n? Will get 1. I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I power 4 you put. I square whole square becomes minus 1 whole square becomes 1. So least positive integer to satisfy the I power n is equal to 1 is 4. Put n is equal to 4. I square whole square minus 1 whole square equal to 1. Therefore, the least positive integer is 4. Least positive integer is equal to. Now, fourth question, third one. Find the real value of theta. Find the real values of theta in order that 3 plus 2i sin theta whole by 1 minus 2i sin theta as a first one real number, second one purely imaginary. Find the real value of theta. So to get the only real number, to get the only imaginary number, the what value should be substituted for the theta given. 3 plus 2i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta. Immediately rationalize. 1 plus 2i sin theta by 1 plus 2i sin theta. Multiply numerator. 3 ones are 3 plus 3 2s are 6i sin theta plus 2i sin theta. It becomes 8i sin theta. Plus 2i into 2i 4i square sin theta. 4i square means minus 4 sin theta. Whole by 3 plus 2i, whole by a plus iv into a minus iv concept 1 by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. Now you write here 3 minus 4 sin theta whole by 1 plus 4 sin square theta plus I into I taken common 8 sin theta whole by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. This is only to get real average. First, if put here 1, if 1 is only real, that is imaginary part is equal to 0. Imaginary part is equal to 0. That implies 8 sin theta by 1 plus sin square theta equal to 0. Take cross multiplication. It becomes sin theta equal to 0. If the conditions given, we can understand here theta is n pi, because sin theta is equal to 0, then theta is n pi. Otherwise, simply theta is equal to 0, you can substitute it. For fourth one, second one. Yeah, theta is n pi. Exactly. Theta is equal to n pi and belongs to z. For imaginary, that is only for real number. For imaginary, next to second. If one is purely imaginary, here 3 plus 8 sin theta plus 2a sin theta, 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2 minus this is 4 sin square theta, 4 sin square theta. Imaginary, that is you write real part is equal to 0. So whenever real part equal to 0, equate the 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 2 4 sin square theta equal to 0. Equate the real part. Now you can write 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta equal to 0. By 1 you write a cross multiplication. So 4 sin square theta equal to 3. Sin square theta equal to 3 by 4. And sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. By using the trigonometric equations chapter, you can understand that the sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha concept. Sin theta whole square. General solution of sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha is the principal value. So the principal value is sin. How many degrees is equal to root 3 by 2? Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So alpha is equal to 60. You can write here pi by 3. So general solution. GS means general solution. General solution of sin square theta. That is to get the real number is theta is equal to GS is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3, where n belongs to z. That is the solution of the given equation. Theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. 2n pi is a given option. If it is sin 2n pi is not correct. If it is cos 2n pi plus or minus alpha is correct. Of course, for any square the general solution is there that n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Even though he given 2n, no problem, 2n is nothing but n. So 2n is also a natural number. So simply you can leave it, no need to get any confused, simply leave this question. If you get the options, depends upon the cos, you have to convert the cos options. Already depends upon the sign, you have to write the sign options. Only for objective I said these questions. Remaining sums, whatever the sums are there, you do the homework. Okay. Until today, in these 2 classes, what I handled today, 2 classes, we have completed the complex numbers exercise 1A and 1B. And next class exercise 1C concept is there. That is most IMP concept for theory, IP and objective also. Let us discuss the exercise 1C theory and concept tomorrow class.